Greetings to all. I am of grade. Today, I stand before you to discuss a topic that holds deep significance for every Indian. Are we really independent? The eminent freedom fighter Subhash Chandra Bose once stated, "Freedom is not given, it is taken." The words remind us that independence was earned through bravery and sacrifice, not simply given to us. India gained freedom from British rule on August 15, 1947, after a sequel of struggles to achieve self governance, social justice, and economic growth. However, our independence is in doubt due to various challenges we have faced in recent years. Let's delve into some significant aspects where this is the case. Firstly, economic independence. Despite progress in economic development, India still has a high poverty rate. The persistence of corruption and income inequality hinders the growth of our nation. Is it genuine independence when financial barriers prevent many Indians from accessing education, healthcare, and basic amenities? Social independence is another facet that requires our attention. Despite our diverse cultures and the principles of equality enshrined in our constitution, social divisions and discrimination based on caste, religion, gender, and economic status still plague our society. It raises a significant question. Do we really experience freedom when some groups of people are unable to enjoy the same privileges and opportunities as others? The third aspect to consider is political independence. Jawaharlal Nehru, India's first Prime Minister, aptly remarked, "A democracy that cannot provide food and drink to its people cannot last long." These words highlight the interdependence of political freedom and the welfare of its citizens. While we cherish our democratic system, we must also recognize its flaws. The representation of all citizens is in doubt due to political corruption, vote bank politics, and the influence of money power. Do we really have independence if those in authority can easily manipulate our thoughts and viewpoints for their benefit? Lastly, let us reflect on the importance of environmental independence for a sustainable future. Mahatma Gandhi once said, "There is enough for everybody's need, but not for anybody's greed," reminding us that taking care of the environment is linked with our independence. We must question the impact of our actions on the environment as pollution, deforestation, and climate change pose significant threats. Honestly, do our actions reflect freedom when they harm the environment, putting the well being of future generations at stake? To sum up, the question of whether we are really independent is intricate and multifaceted. Although we have achieved notable advancements in several domains, independence is not yet fully achieved in certain aspects. On this Independence Day, let us remember that true independence is not a destination but a journey that requires the determination and effort of each one of us. Let us strive towards economic, social, political, and environmental freedom, ensuring that the words of our national anthem, Jana Gana Mana, resonate with true meaning and significance. Thank you.